Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing NZDUSD, looking at both the recent news and the chart data to make sense of where this pair might be headed. Based on recent Google searches, the NZDUSD has been sensitive to US dollar movements and influenced by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's policy decisions and economic data releases. Specifically, the pair has been reacting to speculations of future RBNZ rate cuts and US inflation data, with analysts suggesting a challenging recovery for the Kiwi despite some economic optimism. Let's start with the one-day chart. Looking back to January 2024, we can see a period of sideways consolidation around the 0.61 level. This consolidation was followed by a downtrend that accelerated in late March and early April, potentially correlating with the RBNZ rate cut announcements that are happening around that time. Now, let's zoom in on more recent price action. Since late April 2025, we've observed a gradual recovery, attempting to breach the 0.60 level, although this recent recovery has failed in June 2025 with a sell-off. This recent decline could be linked to news of potential US dollar strength or further dovish signals from the RBNZ. It's crucial to monitor upcoming economic releases from both New Zealand and the United States. A key level to watch is around 0.61, which served as resistance in early June. If the price fails to sustain above this level, we could see further downside towards the 0.59 level. Now, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. The hourly chart shows more granular price movements around key daily candles. In the short term, we might see some support around the 0.612 level, which can be seen on May 15th, 16th, and 17th. If this level fails, expect further selling pressure. For a very short-term perspective, let's dive into the 15-minute chart to see what happened in the last week. It's been mostly consolidating with small bursts upward. To recap, here are a few key points. On the daily chart, watch the 0.61 level as major resistance. A break above this level could signal a bullish continuation towards 0.62, with a 30% likelihood in the next 2 to 3 months if the USD weakens or RBNZ surprises with less dovish news. If the selling pressure continues, keep an eye on 0.59 as a major support level. A convincing break below this level could confirm a bearish trend towards 0.58, with a 60% likelihood in the short term if the USD strengthens and RBNZ provides dovish outlooks. Finally, monitor economic data releases from both countries as they can act as catalysts to reinforce these trends. Good luck trading!